If you're a virtual assistant and you want to make booking calls, client consultations, and follow-up meetings easier, then Calendly can save you a ton of time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Calendly for virtual assistant work, step by step, so you can create a professional scheduling link, share it with clients, and stop wasting time back and forth in emails. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside, look for the Create button at the top or on your dashboard. This is where you'll start building your meeting link. Click Create, then select Event Type. Calendly gives you a few options, but for most virtual assistant tasks, one-on-one is the best choice because you're usually scheduling direct meetings with one client at a time. After that, give your meeting a clear name. For example, you could call it Client Consultation, Discovery Call, VA Onboarding Call, or Weekly Check-in. Choosing a simple, professional name helps your clients understand exactly what the meeting is for. Next, set the meeting duration. Think about the type of appointment you're offering. If it's a quick discovery call, you might choose 15 or 30 minutes. If it's a longer onboarding session or strategy meeting, you may want 45 or 60 minutes. Then choose your availability. This is one of the most important parts for a virtual assistant because it controls when clients can actually book time with you. You can set your working hours, block out lunch breaks, and make sure your calendar only shows the times you're available. That way, clients can schedule with you without creating conflicts in your day. After that, choose your meeting location. Calendly lets you pick options like Google Meet, Zoom, phone, or another meeting method, depending on how you work. If you handle admin support virtually, Google Meet or Zoom is usually the easiest option because clients can join from anywhere. Once your event details are set up, click Save and Close. This saves your new booking page and makes it ready to share. Now that your event is created, the next step is to share it with clients. Click Share and Calendly will generate your scheduling link. Copy that link so you can send it wherever you need. As a virtual assistant, this link is super useful because you can put it in email replies, on your website, in your proposal documents, in your social media bio, or even in a client welcome message. Instead of manually coordinating every appointment, your clients can simply click the link and choose a time that works for them. That means fewer emails, fewer missed messages, and a much smoother booking process. You can also use Calendly to make your VA business look more polished and professional. Clients love when scheduling is easy, and having a clean booking system makes your service feel organized and reliable. If you want to take it a step further, you can create different Calendly links for different services like client calls, onboarding, monthly check-ins, or project reviews. That helps you stay organized and makes it easy for clients to book the right type of meeting. So, to recap, you log into Calendly, click Create, choose event type, select one-on-one, name your meeting, set the duration, choose your availability, pick a meeting location, save your event, then click Share and copy your link. That's all it takes to set up Calendly for virtual assistant work. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.